The IIHS has finally crash-tested the 2020 Toyota Corolla Sedan, and it has earned the organization's second-highest commendation of top safety pick. It matches the hatchback that was tested earlier, meaning all versions of the Corolla have this high safety rating. Getting the car to the top safety pick rating are excellent crash test results. The car earned the top good ratings for all crashes, including the difficult passenger side small overlap crash. Its standard forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking systems also earned the top superior rating, and was able to prevent a collision even at 25 miles per hour. The Corolla's one weak point is in headlights, like with many other cars nowadays. The Corolla's best headlights scored the second highest acceptable rating, keeping the model from earning the top safety pick and rating. These are only available on the XLE and XSE trims with the advanced lighting package. The headlights on all other trims were only rated Marginal, the second lowest rating. The standard headlights on the hatchback were rated higher at acceptable.